Hi guys, this is Sabanathan from YouTube. Today we are talking about that African countries and the wars. Um, and they see that um, mm, mostly 40% of the world wars is moving on the African countries. Mostly 15 countries they faced the wars, mostly civil wars, mostly militants, weaponized, weapon-handed militants are war against the ruling government or military rule. They are linked with the mostly Al Qaeda and ISI are the linked with the war for the reason. What is the reason? If the country has no terrorist, that country will improve very quickly. If country rulers work straightforwardly, good rulers get the country will economically and any types of the many ways it will face the any obstacle will come to the country easily. First we see that Sudan. It's a third year. It's now third year. There is a civil war in the Sudan. It's a deadliest war of the Africa. Mostly dealing towns are destroyed totally, and mostly 13 million peoples, approximately what are that 1.3 crore peoples are displaced people, as reported by the Sudan Armed Forces. Next, Democratic Republic of Congo. It also eastern part of the Congo as a rebelling. Rwanda M23. That group is making terror attacks against the government. It also lost the Uvira cities in last January 27, 2026, last day, and also the group has only some mining areas and Goma cities also. Government has most of the cities, but the power, the terrorist groups has a power very highly. They have a money also, and where the money come from that group, I don't know that. Maybe the mining may give the controlling area of the economic will use to the war, rebelling against the government also. And I will tell that next is we know that the country, the name is Sahel. Sahel mostly Islamist insurgency attack is moving on the Burkina Faso, Niger and Mali. In this country they rule the military rule. In the military rule they against war against the military rule also. Militants are like Islamist groups, like also linked with first I told that Al Qaeda, ISIS. They also linked with the affiliated with the small military groups in the country. Mostly Burkina Faso in 2022 and 2026 compared to that, 3 times the killing of the people is increased. The cities controlled by the terrorists also increased. Approximately 130 cities of Burkina Faso is controlled by the terrorists, and I told that deeply in what is the terrorists there. Most of the terrorists of JNIM from ISDS, they are also controlling the 40% of the country. About 2 million people are displaced internally in the Burkina Faso. 20,000 approximately 20,000 deaths are in the war of the Burkina Faso. Captain Ibrahim Traoré is a good ruler, I think. He ruled the country well, but the security reason is also important to that country. Many years ago, the rule of the Ibrahim Traore's rule is very good because they rule for the people. Their activities also very well to the very well to the African countries. Mm, very well to the Burkina Faso improvement. And 2025 May, Djibouti attack JNIM. It's at most many parts of the country attacked in this day, in this month. Mostly Djibouti is the important city attacked by the JNIM. Mostly they attack the healthcare states, hospitals and schools and colleges. In that places they attacked. Mostly killed by the JNIM terrorist groups. Next, I told that next country is I told that few of the countries only. Next, Somalia. Somalia also faced the Al-Shabaab terrorist gang. Al-Shabaab terrorist gang. It also controlled some rural areas and ruled that areas and war against the government also. Next, Mali. Wagner Group also, you know the Wagner Group. Wagner Group also helped to the Wagner country is military force. In that military forces of the country of Mali, 70 to 80% of the country's militants military are Wagner Group trained persons are there. The Wagner groups they ask that many make the many remarks like rapes and killings and many things, but they support the Malian agenda. That's why the Mali government is uses the Wagner group to attack the terrorist. The terrorists are affiliated with the JNIM terrorist gangs also. The 2025 ending, Wagner group also withdrawing that were stops their involvement of the Mali militants, because the most of the supported by the JNIM terrorists are killed. Mostly 70 to 80% are killed. That's why they withdrawed. The Wagner groups withdrawed. And next is see that South Sudan. It's a ethnic tensions and Salva Kiir, president of the South Sudan. This rule is not perfect, not accepted by the people. It's irritating the peoples and some groups of the terrorists also. They also getting help from the Al-Qaeda and some of the international terrorist gangs also. Upon Mozambique, it's faces the ISI aligned insurgencies, because the Mozambique is a good country, but it is faces the many terrorist attacks, and that's why it's some part of this country has faced now in the war. Okay, I told that most of the African countries war make the man cruelty and lost the both of the sides also. Okay, goodbye. This is another from YouTube. Bye bye, see you.